The one who walked away from you due to another person's influence is now broken. In this moment, God's message of motivation resonates deeply. Do not rejoice in their pain, but instead extend compassion and love. Offer them a glimmer of hope, reminding them of their inherent worth and the possibility of redemption. Encourage them to find solace in God's unending love and forgiveness. Let your actions speak of grace and empathy, for through kindness, healing can begin. May your motivation be to uplift and inspire, reflecting God's unwavering love in every interaction. If you believe, type Amen.